Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Samsung 55-inch Class S90F Smart TV, NQ4, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Are you tired of watching sports on a screen that makes your jaw drop? A TV that can keep up with the action is a game changer for anyone who loves staying active or just wants to feel like they're right in the middle of the excitement. That's exactly what Samsung's latest smart TV offers, and we're about to dive into why. So, if you've been considering upgrading your home entertainment setup or simply want to treat yourself to a premium viewing experience, this review is for you. You'll be glad to know that after watching this video, you'll have all the answers to ask yourself before making that big purchase. One of the things that really stands out about Samsung's latest smart TV is its ability to deliver an exceptional 4K experience. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, playing the latest games, or catching live sports, everything on screen feels buttery smooth and incredibly sharp. The NQ4 AI Gen 3 processor analyzes each scene and boosts brightness to illuminate even the smallest details, making it feel like you're right there in the action. Another feature that's sure to impress is its ability to transform content into HDR-like quality. This means that if you're used to watching shows in standard definition, they'll suddenly be transported to a whole new world of vibrant colors and clearer details. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to take their viewing experience to the next level. But what really sets Samsung's latest smart TV apart is its ability to deliver smooth motion during fast-paced sports and gaming. This means that even when the action on screen gets intense, you won't lose sight of the ball or the action. It's all crystal clear. And with a 144 Hz refresh rate, everything feels incredibly responsive and immersive. Of course, no review would be complete without talking about the day-to-day performance of this TV. We've spent some time using it in our own home, and we can confidently say that it's been a revelation. The picture quality is stunning, and the sound system is surprisingly good for a TV, perfect for when you're watching a movie or playing a game with friends. That being said, like any TV, there are some minor complaints to be had. Some users have reported that the smart features can be a bit finicky at times, but overall, we've found this to be a minor issue. And with Samsung's commitment to regular software updates, you can rest assured that these issues will be ironed out in no time. So, is the Samsung 55-inch Class S90F Smart TV worth buying? If you're looking for a premium viewing experience and don't mind investing in a top-of-the-line smart TV, then this is certainly the one to consider. Whether you're a gamer, a sports fan, or simply someone who loves watching shows, this TV delivers in every way. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.